Oppo has officially launched the Oppo A5 Pro, the latest addition to its A-series lineup, succeeding the A3 Pro. This smartphone packs top-notch durability, a powerful processor, and a host of features tailored for extreme environments. Here's a closer look at the Oppo A5 Pro's specifications. Oppo A5 Pro sports a 6.7 inches Full HD Plus quad-curved AMOLED display with a resolution of 2412x1080 pixels. The screen supports a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming, alongside a peak brightness of 1200 nits and 2060Hz ultra-high-frequency PWM dimming. Under the hood, the Oppo A5 Pro is powered by the 4nm Mediatek Dimensity 7300 chipset paired with the Mali G6 of 15 MC2 GPU, promising a seamless performance for gaming and multitasking. The phone offers up to 12GB LPDDR4x RAM and up to 512GB UFS 3.1 storage. The device runs on Android 15 with Oppo's custom ColorOS 15, offering a streamlined user experience. The new OS is optimized for performance, boasting a 50% improvement in app launch speed and an 18% increase in operational response time compared to its predecessor. In terms of photography, the A5 Pro features a 50-megapixel rear camera with an f1.8 aperture and OIS, paired with a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor for enhanced depth effects. For selfies and video calls, it features a 16-megapixel front camera with an f2.4 aperture, delivering sharp and clear results. The phone packs a 6,000 mAh battery, which Oppo claims can maintain performance over 5 years of use. It supports 80-watt Super VOOC fast charging, ensuring quick top-ups even for such a large battery. The Oppo A5 Pro stands out with its IP69, IP68, and IP66 ratings, making it resistant to dust, water, freezing, and harsh environmental conditions. It is the industry's first phone to pass 14 comprehensive military standard environmental tests, operating between extreme temperatures of -35 degrees to 47 degrees Celsius. Additionally, the phone includes stereo dual speakers, high-energy outdoor mode, and full-feature NFC. The phone also debuts Oppo's Hunter antenna architecture, improving signal reception significantly. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.